Spray foam on the underside of my roof will cause my shingles to fail. No, it won't. What it will cause is the temperature of those shingles will go up a very little bit. There's a lot of work been done by smart people, and they've written reports, and they're available on my website here under attics. But that information, that myth, is just simply not true. The shingle heats up due to radiation from the sun, the environmental temperature. The thing that has the biggest impact on shingle temperature is shingle color, not whether or not it can dissipate through the exterior sheathing that temperature into the attic space. I mean, that's why your attic is so hot in the summertime, because it's the radiated heat from the shingles through into the attic. Now, if you insulate it directly to the underside of that roof sheathing, your attic temperature will substantially drop. It becomes more controllable, more useful. That's a good thing. The shingle itself will increase in temperature, but very little. The important thing is to look at the manufacturer's warranty and look at it in detail. Do they require venting, or do they allow non-vented assemblies and still maintain their warranty? Be very careful, because depending on the shingle manufacturer, you will or will not void your warranty.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.